Alias Totoy promises more exposés in the missing Sabongero case, this time naming cops he says were involved. Atong Ang's camp responds with criminal charges. Here's the report.
Itinuring niya na, tinuring ko siyang tatay, umiiyak nga ako sa harap niya pag may mga problema ako. Pero ang hindi ko matanggap, Cyril, yung patayin niya buong pamilya ko.
This was Julie Dondon Patidongan alias Totoy speaking out against his former boss, Atong Ang. Ang has filed multiple complaints against Totoy at the Mandaluyong Prosecutor's Office, including grave threats, grave coercion, slander, incriminating against innocent persons, and conspiracy to commit attempted robbery with violence against or intimidation of persons. He accuses Totoy of extorting 300 million pesos to keep Ang's name out of the missing Sabongeros case. But Totoy claims it was Ang's camp that tried to silence him with a $500 million offer to leave the country.
Nakakatawa naman, isang bilyonaryo, isang makapangyarihan na tao, kikilan ko. Ubod ng sinungaling yan, Cyril. Ang gusto niya, tanggapin ko na yung offer niya at lumayas na daw ako. Punta na lang daw ako sa ibang bansa.
Totoy insists Ang is the mastermind behind the disappearance of more than 100 cockfighters, saying 2 of the suspected abductors even accompanied Ang to the prosecutor's office.
Mr. Atong Ang, yan lang masasabi ko sa iyo. Huwag ka magtago sa katotohanan. Alam mo to, ikaw mismo nag-utos sa akin at ikaw mismo ang nagsabi dyan sa grupo ng mga pulis na iligpit na yan. Ang ganyang mga witness against sa akin, yun yung suspect na bumitbit ng dalawa ng nawawalang missing Sabongero. Yun yung si Rodelo Anigig at si Toto Roger Burican. Yung nakapula kanina, yan yun. Kaya kong patunayan at mayroon akong lahat ng sinuot niyan at may tattoo yan sa paa.
Totoy says he has evidence, including a USB, linking the businessman and several police officers to the crimes. He also named actress Gretchen Barreto as part of the so-called Alpha Group, saying she had knowledge of the crimes due to her close ties to Ang.
Bago mangyari yung mga krimen na yan, nag-usap-usap yung mga yan. Mayroong ibang ayaw pumayag, pero majority yung pumayag. Ang sabi nga ni Mr. Atong Ang, kung hindi natin gagawin ito, babagsak yung negosyo natin. Kaya yan sila, nag-agree yan, kasama yan si Gretchen Barreto. Madam Gretchen, parang awa mo na rin sa sarili mo. Kung gusto mo, tumistigo ka na rin para mapatunayan natin.
Ang's legal counsel, Attorney Lorna Capunan, maintains that everything should be proven in court.
This is all a matter of evidence. If he has evidence, bring it to court.
She added that they might add cyber libel to Patidongan's cases due to his recent claims.
Listening to your interview, dadagdagan namin ang kasong ipa-file namin because of all the lies that he said in your interview. We will consider interviewing his interview with you in our case for cyber libel.
A family member of one of the missing Sabongeros thanked the DOJ for recent developments in the case.
Masaya. At para akong nabunutan ng tinik sa paglitaw nitong testigo. At
Okay.
papasalamat ako kay Secretary Remulla na bibigyan na kami ng justisya na makamit namin para sa kaitatahimik ng ng aking anak at sa po na kanilang mga kasamahan.
As for his part, Ang continues to deny any involvement.
Malalaman nyo rin na totoo. Siguro sa pag-iimbesti niya, may lalabas na totoo dyan. Wala kami kinalaman lahat dyan. Kapareho, uulitin ko, sinasabi ko, lahat ng grupo namin, mga disenteng tao yan.